And if you want to know more about this, the madhab and how to follow the hadith, read the introduction of Imam Muslim rahmatullah alayh. Imam Muslim rahmatullah alayh, in his Sahih Muslim, at the beginning he has a complete chapter on how a person should be serious about following Quran and Sunnah, and what are the criterias, to accept or not accepting the hadith, and who are those people who are narrating the chain of narrators, who are those people who are saying that qala Allah wa qala Rasul. When you hear somebody saying qala Allah, Allah has said, wa qala Rasul, and Rasul has said, then you have to be careful who is saying that. You have to be careful from where you get this, who is that and what is he saying. So this is, I was mashallah very, very impressed, when mashallah I read the explanation of Imam Muslim rahmatullah alayh about, how to be, that is open mind, opening your mind. It is like, you can say like it opens your mind and brain and gives you, the way, one of the ways that how you can follow Quran and Sunnah and how you can take the hadith.